so you're asking a couple of different questions there. When has the Biefeld-Brown effect been observed? And I would say that it has been observed in the fluid dielectric context countless times. So if you go on the internet, for example, and just go to YouTube and search for the word lifters, you will see these devices that have been developed over the last 20 years or so. It's like a kite almost, made of aluminum. It's a triangle configuration. So you've got a triangle of aluminum foil with a couple of posts, 3 posts coming out of it, and a wire connecting the top of the post. That's a lifter. And when you apply a kilovolt current, a multi-kilovolt current to one of these lifter apparatuses, it will immediately levitate itself.
And that is that is apparently due to ionic breeze.
That's ionic breeze.
Okay.
Or the ionic wind, right? And so that is a fairly well verified effect.
Okay.
What remains undocumented, I guess would be the right word to say, and this is why Jesse offers his challenge at the end.
Yeah, the 50 grand.
Yeah, the 50 grand challenge. Can we demonstrate the Biefeld-Brown effect with a solid dielectric, and particularly in a vacuum? See, I've written about this recently. There was, back in I think 2006, remember the show Mythbusters?
Yep.
Yeah. Mythbusters did an episode where they disproved the anti-gravity effect of the lifters by running it in a vacuum. Well, of course, a lifter is not going to work in a vacuum because it needs the air to be the fluid dielectric.
Right.
So take away the air and it's not going to do anything. So now we've proven that, but we haven't proven that it doesn't work, because with a solid dielectric, you don't need air.
Interesting.
So that's what Jesse is saying in his challenge. He wants somebody to demonstrate the solid dielectric in a vacuum, and it should work in a vacuum. Now, I have one acquaintance, borderline kind of a colleague, who about almost 15 years ago, or maybe more recently than that, attests to having built what we call a gravitator, which is the solid dielectric expression of the Biefeld-Brown effect. He built one